In this video, we'll talk about the principles of Wing Chun. If you adopt them, you've already gained a deep understanding of Wing Chun. In just 5 minutes, you can learn Wing Chun. Everything else builds on these principles. Principle 1. Attack from the position of the limb you're striking with. Arms especially can strike from any angle. Don't think of Wing Chun as a rigid set of rules like you see in many videos. The principle is simple. You can always strike from whatever position your arms are in, whether they're lowered, raised, or even resting on something. If you block an incoming strike, you counterattack from the position your arm is in at the moment of the block. If you want to throw a strike, don't pull your arm back. Deliver the punch powerfully from its current position. You generate additional power by rotating your body, shoulders, and hips. Principle 2. Protect your body's center line. You protect your center line from both straight line strikes and circular attacks. Don't think that the center line is defended only in relation to your opponent. The center line is defended according to the angle from which a strike comes. Many people misunderstand this principle and assume the center line is always aimed at where the opponent is. A strike can come from an unexpected angle. When practicing Wing Chun, it's best to train with someone who knows karate or boxing. This way, you'll better understand the angles of attacks. Principle 3. Simplicity and economy of movement. This principle is based on understanding that the complicated techniques we see in movies don't work in real combat. In real situations, you must keep things simple and discard anything unnecessary. In short, don't overcomplicate. It's not about making your techniques look artistic or visually appealing. What matters is defending yourself and responding effectively. If you're already practicing Wing Chun, you should know that the standard examples of techniques shown in clubs don't have to look perfect. Any technique can vary from these school examples. It's far better to avoid getting hit than to rigidly follow strict club rules. Principle 4. This principle is very important because it trains you to recognize unprotected targets on your opponent. Strike the same spot multiple times if it isn't defended. If that spot is defended, attack a different opening, again, multiple times, until that spot becomes defended as well. This principle connects with the previous ones. If the path for your strike is open, hit repeatedly, with power and speed. Principle 5. If your opponent's arm gets in the way, move it aside, grab it, and pull it. Anything that gets in your way when you're trying to strike, remove it. At the same time, grab, pull, and clear the obstruction while you continue to strike. Anything that gets in your way when you're trying to strike, clear it out of the way. At the same time, grab, pull, and clear the obstruction while you continue to strike. Principle 6. Strike with power. When you train, practice hitting with full strength. Don't let your strikes be weak or sloppy.